In the pursuit of academic success, students often find themselves overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and tasks they need to manage. Deep work, the ability to focus without distraction on cognitively demanding tasks, is crucial for effective learning and academic performance. Just as athletes train based on their physical strengths, students can optimize their study sessions by understanding and working in harmony with their energy peaks and valleys throughout the day. This approach not only maximizes productivity, but also reduces mental fatigue and enhances the quality of learning. By recognizing your unique energy patterns and tailoring your study routine accordingly, you can unlock your full academic potential. Before diving into specific routines, it's essential to understand your chronotype, which refers to your natural sleep-wake cycle or your body's internal clock. This internal clock influences your energy levels, alertness, and cognitive function throughout the day. There are broadly three chronotypes: early birds, night owls, and those who fall somewhere in between, often referred to as having a regular sleep-wake cycle. Early birds naturally wake up early, feel energized in the morning, and experience a decline in energy as the day progresses. Night owls are most alert and productive during the evening and late night hours, finding it challenging to wake up early. Individuals with a regular sleep-wake cycle tend to experience peak alertness and energy levels mid-morning and mid-afternoon. Identifying your chronotype is the first step towards optimizing your study routine. Observe your natural sleep-wake patterns, energy levels, and productivity at different times of the day. For those who naturally wake up feeling refreshed and energized, the early bird routine offers a powerful strategy for academic success. Early birds thrive in the quiet solitude of the morning hours, a time when distractions are minimal and the mind is primed for deep work. By capitalizing on this peak mental state, early birds can tackle their most challenging academic tasks during these golden hours. This means scheduling demanding tasks for the morning, lighter tasks for the afternoon, and reserving the evening for relaxation and winding down. A typical early bird schedule might look something like this: 4 a.m. to 7 a.m., deep work session. This is your prime time for tackling the most challenging subjects or assignments that require the highest level of focus and concentration. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., exercise and breakfast. After an intense study session, energize your body with a workout and nourish your mind and body with a healthy breakfast. 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Classes and less demanding tasks. Attend classes and use this time to work on less demanding tasks that don't require the same level of deep focus as your morning study session. 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Lunch break. Take a break from your studies to recharge with a nutritious lunch. 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Classes or study group. Continue with classes or join a study group to collaborate with peers and gain different perspectives on the material. 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Review and light work. Use this time to review previously studied material, catch up on readings, or attend to any outstanding tasks that require less intensive focus. 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. dinner and relaxation. Enjoy a relaxing dinner and give yourself time to unwind. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Light reading or hobbies. Engage in light reading, pursue a hobby, or spend time with loved ones. 9 p.m. sleep. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule, ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to wake up refreshed and energized for another productive day. While society often celebrates the early bird, night owls possess their own unique set of advantages when it comes to academic pursuits. Night owls often find themselves most alert and creative during the late evening and nighttime hours, a time when the world around them has quieted down, and they can tap into a flow state of deep focus. By embracing their chronotype, night owls can leverage these peak productivity hours to their advantage, diving deep into complex subjects and producing their best work when their minds are at their sharpest. The key to success for night owls lies in designing a schedule that respects their natural sleep-wake cycle, allowing them to fully utilize their peak energy windows without feeling rushed or pressured to conform to a traditional early morning schedule. Here's an example of a night owl's schedule. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Wake up and light activities. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Review and catch up. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Lunch and social time. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Classes or group study. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Exercise or creative pursuits. 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Dinner and relaxation. 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Light work and preparation. 9 p.m. to midnight, prime study time. Midnight to 3 a.m. Deep work continues. 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Wind down and prepare for sleep. 4 a.m. Sleep. For those who don't identify as strict early birds or night owls, the regular schedule offers a balanced approach to maximizing study time. This schedule aligns with the typical societal rhythm, while still allowing for personalized adjustments to optimize productivity. By strategically scheduling tasks and breaks, students can maintain focus, avoid burnout, and achieve a consistent flow of deep work throughout their day. The regular schedule encourages a consistent sleep-wake cycle, ensuring adequate rest and maximizing alertness during prime study hours. It emphasizes the importance of taking regular breaks to recharge and maintain focus, ultimately leading to a more sustainable and productive study routine. Here's a sample schedule for individuals with a regular sleep-wake cycle. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Wake up, exercise, and light breakfast. Start your day with a workout or some form of physical activity to boost your energy levels. Follow it up with a light and nutritious breakfast. 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Review and plan your day. Review notes from previous study sessions, plan your day, and create a to-do list to stay organized. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. prime study session. Take advantage of your morning alertness to tackle challenging subjects or assignments that require deep focus and concentration. 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Lunch and social time. Enjoy a relaxing lunch break and connect with friends or family. 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. classes or study group. Attend afternoon classes or utilize this time for collaborative study sessions with peers. 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Second prime study session. Leverage this second window of peak alertness for another round of deep work. 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Dinner and relax. Enjoy a healthy dinner and take time to unwind and recharge after your study session. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Extracurricular activities or hobbies. Engage in extracurricular activities, pursue hobbies, or spend time with loved ones. While these sample schedules provide a starting point, it's crucial to remember that everyone's energy flow is unique. Experiment with different routines and track your productivity levels at different times of the day. Pay attention to when you feel most alert, focused, and creatively energized. These are your peak energy windows, and you should prioritize your most demanding tasks during these times. Conversely, identify your low energy periods and reserve them for less demanding tasks like reviewing notes, organizing materials, or running errands. The key is to create a personalized routine that aligns with your natural energy flow, allowing you to study smarter, not harder. Finding the perfect study routine is an ongoing process of experimentation and adaptation. What works best for you may change over time, depending on your course load, personal commitments, and even the seasons. Be flexible and willing to adjust your schedule as needed. Remember that consistency is key. Once you find a routine that aligns with your energy flow and maximizes your productivity, stick to it as much as possible. By understanding your energy flow and tailoring your study routine to match, you can transform your study habits and unlock your full academic potential. Embrace the power of deep work, work in harmony with your body's natural rhythms, and watch your academic performance soar. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your study time.